Breathing. It's something we do every day, without a second thought. But did you know that the way we breathe affects not just our body but also our mind, emotions, and overall well-being? From stress to relaxation, the rhythm of our breath plays a powerful role in shaping our emotional and physical health. In this video, we'll explore the essential connection between breathing and well-being, diving into the science behind it, and how you can use your breath to find calm and resilience in the face of stress. Breathing is our life force, and it does much more than simply help us stay alive. It's directly tied to our autonomic nervous system, which controls processes we don't have to think about, like heart rate, digestion, and respiration. When we breathe in short, shallow breaths, something that tends to happen during stress or anxiety, we are activating the sympathetic nervous system, triggering that fight or flight response. On the other hand, deep, slow breaths activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest response, calming our bodies and minds. In fact, just a few minutes of controlled breathing can reduce cortisol levels, lower heart rate, and even improve brain function. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that your breath is your superpower. Breathing exercises can also help manage anxiety and panic attacks. When you're anxious, your breath can become shallow and rapid. But conscious, controlled breathing can interrupt this cycle, sending signals to your brain that it's safe, and helping to calm your nervous system. For example, by using deep breathing techniques, you can trigger the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and helping to reduce the intensity of panic attacks. This is where the power of slow, deep breathing comes into play. It directly affects the autonomic nervous system. By breathing deeply and slowly, you are sending your body the message that it's time to relax, letting go of stress, and reducing the fight or flight response. This simple, natural tool is not only accessible but incredibly powerful in managing stress and improving emotional regulation. By learning to harness the power of breath, you are taking the first step toward improving your mental and emotional well-being. Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll dive into science and ancient wisdom behind breathing.